Hello and welcome to this new section of the SharePoint course, where we will discuss how to work with lists, which are primarily the foundation of the SharePoint site. The SharePoint site is made up of lists, data lists, which we will explore in this section, and document lists that can also be managed using metadata, along with version history, which we will cover in the next section, and another planned section. We will also look at pages, which are themselves lists. So let's start by clarifying what a list is in SharePoint. As mentioned earlier, lists form the basis of all content on the team site and can contain data or files stored in rows and columns. So the rows form the structure of the list, just like in an Excel sheet. When we start at the top adding the fields, there's the invoice, the amount, the client, and here is the supplier. So in the list structure, we write, for example, the invoice amount, or if it's a list of documents like the permit, as shown here on the slide. In the columns, we include everything that represents the information. The columns will contain information such as the invoice amount of 30 euros, the permit's image, and the permit's image file. For example, if we organize one of our cool tier events, then using the lists, we can create various flows and alerts directly from them, which can be associated with objects. 3 days before the invoice is due, a warning is sent to this email address, or workflows are triggered using Power Automate, as we will see in detail in a specific section, which are really essential for saving time at work. We will then see that lists can be displayed with their information from different perspectives, and that the contents can be of various types, such as lists of information, like invoices or collections of documents. This could be not only the identity documents of those participating in the courses, but also the documents of a project within a company, the pages of the site that develop the theme. The main page of the site, as we did a few lessons ago, where we navigated our site regarding training courses by creating a page for each accounting course, English, Latin American dance, cooking, and various other activities. For example, creating a survey to gather information from team members or even from external people. So with lists, as you can see, we can do many things after this overview. Introduction. Starting from the next lesson, we will begin to explore this topic in depth.